Welcome! If you want to block SIM card with SIM pin into a Samsung Galaxy A10, first of all go into Settings and open Biometrics and Security option, this one. Then scroll down and go into Other Security Settings. And here go into Setup SIM card lock, and here need click to turn on this option, so click it. And now for locking need enter your PIN, so for example 1, 2, 3, 4, and press OK. And now we blocked our SIM card with SIM pin. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.